What is PDF? PDF stands for Portable Document Format. It is a file format developed by Adobe in the early 1990s to present documents, including text, images, and layout, consistently across all devices and platforms, regardless of software, hardware, or operating system. This is an example for PDF. Using Python code how to implement PDF, I will show you step by step. First step, install FPDF module. Then creating new Python file giving name main.py. Step 2, creating blank PDF page. Save this code and run the file will create new python.pdf file. Go to your project folder and open PDF file. Step 3, adding title to PDF. Save the file and run code and open PDF file. Step 4, adding some contents to the PDF. Arial is a style of the text, B is a bold text, and 12 is a text size. Save code and run the file and open PDF file. You will get PDF with contents. I'll add the source code in the description. Thanks for watching.